Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 17 of annual term and today's SW number will be 15. Now my dear student, our today's topic's name exercise 6.2. From exercise 6.2 we shall solve word problem number 10, 13 and 15 as your CW and word problem number 11, 12 and 14 will be your SW. I repeat, word problem number 11, 12 and 14 will be your SW. My dear student, you must submit your SW in our school campus in every Saturday within 9 am to 3 pm. So my dear student, let us start our class. Exercise 6.2. I have already read question number 10, 13 and 15 on the board. So let us start to solve. At first we shall solve question number 10. In order to solving the question, at first we read the question. If the sum and difference of two numbers are 100 and 20 respectively, find the numbers. Dear student, we need to find two numbers, but the numbers is not known. Here some hints is given. By using that hints, we need to find out that two numbers. Okay, so first of all we need to consider the two numbers are x and y. So the sum, that means x plus y equal to 10. On the other hand, difference, we consider x is greater than y, so x minus y equal to 20. By using those two equations, we need to find out the numbers. That means we want to solve equation number 1 and 2, and finally we get the value of x and y, and that value will be the two numbers. Okay, so first of all we let the two numbers are x and y. So let first number equal to x and second number equal to y. Here consider this x greater than y, because when you need to do difference, we must subtract smallest number from the largest number, because the difference is in positive sign, so we must subtract the smallest one from the largest one. Okay, so now according to the first condition, a double C wording, according to the first condition, according to the first condition, here summation, that means x plus y equal to 100. Okay, equation number 1. According to the second condition, x minus y equal to what? 20. This is equation number 2. Now we need to solve equation number 1 and 2. Here we want to solve equation number 1 and 2. Notice x plus y equal to 100, x minus y equal to 10. Here y carrying plus sign, here y carrying minus sign. So if we add equation number 1 and 2, then we can easily find the value of x and the value of y is omitted. So write adding equation 1 and 2, we get, so x plus y equal to 100 and x minus y equal to 20. Do addition, here y card, if we add x and x, then we get 2x. If we add these two numbers, then we get 120. Now x, so 120 divided by 2, therefore x equal to 60. That means when we divide 120 by 2, then we get 60. Okay, one number is found. Next we shall find out the second number by putting the value of x in equation number 1. Putting the value of x in equation 1, we get. Okay, so here value of x is 60 plus y equal to 100. Now y equal to 100 minus 60. Therefore y equal to 40. Y equal to what? Y equal to 40. So my dear student, the two numbers are found. Now we write the two numbers are 60 and 40. Answer 60 and 40. I hope you have understood question number 10. Next we shall solve question number 13. So easy math. First of all, we read this question. 5 years ago, the ratio of the ages of fathers and son is 3:1. After 15 years, that will be 2:1. Find the present age of father and son. My dear student, we don't know the present age of father and son. So at first we consider the present age of father is x year and the present of age of son is y years. Okay. After that we apply here two condition, and by using that two condition we get two equation. By solving that two equation we find the present age of father and present age of son. I hope you have understood how to solve this math. So first of all, we need to consider the present age of father is x year and the present age of son is y year. My dear student, we need a lot of space. For this reason, we divide this board into two sections. Okay. So notice here question number 13. First of all, we consider let present age of father, the present age of father is x years and the present age of son is y years. Okay. Now according to the first condition, dear student, notice 5 years ago the age of father was what? X minus 5. 5 years ago the age of son what? Y minus 5. So right here 5 years ago the age of father was x minus 5 years. Similarly, 5 years ago the age of son was y minus 5 years. Okay. So 5 years ago we have already found out the age of father and the age of son. Now we need to find out after 15 years what will be their age. So after 15 years what will be their age? X plus 15 and y plus 15. Now we write this after 15 years. After 15 years the age of father will be x plus 15. On the other hand, after 15 years the age of son will be y plus 15 years, right? So now my dear student, we use here two conditions. So according to the first condition, here you write ATQ. What do you mean by ATQ? According to the condition. Okay. According to the condition we can write x minus 5 is to y minus 5 and the ratio is given which is 3:1. We know is to means division, that means x minus 5 divided by y minus 5. Here 3/1. Now we do cross multiplication, that means x minus 5 3y minus 15. So we multiply x minus 5 by 1. On the other hand we multiply y minus 5 by 3. So now x minus x equal to 3y minus 15 plus 5. We convert this minus 5 to the right hand side and it will be plus. That means x equal to 3y minus 10. That means when we do addition of minus 15 and plus 5, then we get minus 10. This is equation number 1. Now according to the second condition, which is after 15 years, what will be the age of father? X plus 15, and age of son? Y plus 15. So x plus 15 and y plus 15. Okay, and the ratio is given, which is 2:1. 2:1 means division, that means 2 by 1. Okay, now we do cross multiplication method. That means x plus 15, so we multiply x plus 15 by 1 and we get x plus 15. We multiply y plus 15 by 2 and we get 2y plus 30. Now we put the value of x from equation number 1. X equal to 3y minus 10. So here we write 3y minus 10 plus 15 equal to 2y plus 30. So here we give side note x equal to 3y minus 10, or you can write here from equation 1. Okay, so now 3y, y terms left, that means 3y minus 2y. Okay, 30, this minus 10 go to the right hand side, it will be plus 10. This minus 15 go to the right hand side, it will be minus 15. So we subtract 2y from 3y and we get y. That means 30 plus 10, 40. If we subtract 15 from 40, then we get 25. So my dear student, the value of y is 25. We put the value in equation 1. Putting the value in 1 and we get x equal to 3 into 25 minus 10. Therefore x equal to 75 minus 10. So x equal to 65. So my dear student, answer: father's age is 65 years and son is 25 years. I hope you have understood. Okay, and our last question. Okay, if the sum and difference of numerator and denominator of a proper fractions are 14 and 8 respectively, find the fraction. It is so easy math, dear student. So first of all, we need to consider numerator and denominator. Suppose numerator is x and denominator is y. As the fraction is proper, so its denominator must be greater than numerator. So first of all, we need to consider, let numerator of the fraction equal to x and denominator of the fraction equal to y. Here y greater than x. Why? Because we know and the question give you the information that the fraction is proper fraction, and we know denominator must be greater when a fraction is proper. So now according to the condition, sum of numerator and denominator is 14. So according to the condition, x plus y equal to what? X plus y equal to 14. This is equation number 1. On the other hand, difference of numerator and denominator is 8. So this time we subtract x from y, because here y is greater than x. So which is 8, equation number. So this is according to the second condition. according to the second condition. Y minus x equal to 8. This is equation number 2. Dear student, please notice here x contains plus sign, here x contains minus sign. So if we add equation number 1 and 2, then x is omitted and we find out the value of y. So adding 1 and 2, we get 1 and 2, we get x plus y equal to 14 and y minus x equal to 8. Now add this x and cut, left 2y. If we add these two number, then we get 8 plus 4, 12, carrying on 1 and 22. Now we divide this 22 by 2 and we get y equal to 11. So now we put the value of y in equation number 1. Putting the value of y in equation 1, we get x plus 11 equal to 14. Now x equal to 14 minus 11, therefore x equal to 3. So we find out the fraction now. So the fraction is, numerator is x and denominator is y. The value of x is 3, y is 11. So the answer is 3 by 11. I hope you have understood. So my dear student, this is our today's lecture. I hope you have understood my today's lecture. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, and you must submit your SI and SW. Assalamu alaikum.